Hello students, now we are going to discuss about the deductions that you have got and the reduction or the reduced syllabus according to prescribed by that ICC board. So even though the board has declared about 20% discount, so after marking that all the reductions that you all will calculate that whether you have got 20% discount or 10% discount, how much discount, how much deductions that you have got, you will calculate. Now in this video that we are going to discuss about that the physics. So previously, as you know, that physics had six units, and the first unit that covered 3 chapters, that force, work, energy, power and machines. Second unit that was about the light, particularly that refraction of light at plane surface, refraction through a lens and spectrum. Now the third unit that was about that the sound, only one single chapter, and the fourth one about the electricity and magnetism. So electricity and magnetism, which covers 3 chapters like your current, electricity, household circuit and electromagnetism. And similarly the 5th unit, heat, which contain only one chapter, that is your calorimetry, and the 6th one that is about that the modern physics, which is about the radioactivity. So altogetherly physics in class 10 had 6 units, and each unit more or less, some are there those which are comparatively bigger units and some are there those which are comparatively very small units, like your that the sound and that and that modern physics and heat. These 3 units are there those which contain only single chapters. Now according to the reduced syllabus, now come to the first unit, that is your force, work, power and energy. In chapter number 1, which was force, unfortunately you are not getting any sorts of deduction as it was before, now also in the same manner. So you are not getting any sorts of deductions here, or that ICC, in other words, ICC has not reduced any sorts of things in this case, neither from that the syllabus, nor from that the scope of syllabus, nor from the text you are getting any sorts of deductions. Come back to that the second one, that is your work, energy and power. Now here what happens, that first I thought that perhaps you have got some sort of deduction, some sort of reductions. When I went through entire the syllabus, then I found that perhaps I was a little bit happy that you have got some sort of deduction, but unfortunately by the end that I found you have not got any sorts of deductions. So that is why work, energy, power, as it was before, likewise also now it is there, the same manner, but there is no change. So the third chapter about the machines, here you should be a little bit happy to know that some extent you are getting some sort of benefit. What benefit that you are getting? The part of the lever which was previously there, lever, principle, first, second and third class of levers, examples, mechanical advantage, velocity ratio in each case, example of each of these class of levers are also found in the human body. This part from these machines is deducted. So lever part is deducted. Now only left that is your pulley system. But however, in case of pulley system also you are getting little bit reductions. Excuse me. So what deduction that you are getting? Now here previously you are having single fixed, single movable, block and tackle, mechanical advantage, velocity ratio and efficiency in each case. Now here you are getting little bit deduction in the sense, single fixed it is there, single movable is there, block and tackle. Previously how many systems that block and tackle that you are reading, now all those block and tackles are not there. Block and tackle with single tackle is there. That means it is already confirmed that the pulley system which contains two fixed pulleys and one tackle or one movable pulley, only that much is left, rest all are not there. Previously you had in pulley system the combination of pulley that you had, that one fixed pulley and several movable pulley system, but now that part is not there. And second to that, even that the block and tackle also you have, that the block and tackle, indirectly we can say that block and tackle containing only 3 pulleys are there, because it is given according to the reduced syllabus, block and tackle using single tackle system. So that means 2 fixed pulleys and 1 movable pulley, that type of combined form of the pulleys in block and tackle system, it is only there in the syllabus, rest all are not there. So here the syllabus, according to the previous syllabus, almost all are there, but only the lever part it is deducted. And in case of the pulley system also, that the combination of the pulleys like those which are there previously, that the one fixed pulley and several movable pulleys, but now that is not there. And at the same time, you have the block and tackle system where only one tackle is there, that block and tackle system is left. Anyhow, we will proceed to that fourth one. So in case of your that the fast unit, work energy and machines, that you have got this much deductions. Now come to that the light unit, that light. Refraction of light at plane surfaces. So here within the syllabus, that very less change is there, less reduction that you have got. Like in case of scope of syllabus which is given there, partial reflection and refraction due to change in medium, laws of refraction, the effect of speed, wavelength and frequency due to refraction of light, conditions for a light ray to pass undeviated, value of speed of light in vacuum air, water and glass, refractive index mu is equal to C upon V, V is equal to F lambda, values of lambda for values of mu for common substances such as water, glass, diamond, experimental verification, diffraction through glass block, lateral displacement, that much is there. After that, cut multiple images in thick glass plate or mirror, that is not there in your syllabus. Then everything is there, only within this much, only that part, the multiple reflection in case of the glass slab or that thick glass or the thick plane mirror, it is not there in that syllabus. So that is that much about that much the reduction that you have got in chapter 4. Now if we will proceed to chapter 5, which is the refraction through lenses. In this case also, you are not getting more deductions, very less deductions that you are getting. Come to the last part of that the syllabus, scope of syllabus. Power of a lens, there only definition and basic understanding based on curvature and thickness. Power of a lens, only definition and basic understanding based on that the curvature or the thickness, that part it is there. Rest all simple direct numerical problems, magnifying glass or simple microscope, location of image, magnification from ray diagram only, formula and numerical problems not included, that part it is not there. So in the last part only we have power of lens, only definition and basic understanding regarding how that the power of the lens that will be varied, well along with the variation of that the curvature or the thickness of that the lens, and simple application of lens is there. Rest all that you have got deduction or it is reduced from your syllabus, it is cut off from your syllabus. Now come to that the next one, or that part it is your the spectrum. Chapter number 6 and the last chapter of that the unit, second unit, that is light. in this case you are getting little bit, you may say that according to the chapter, you may say that you are getting little bit more deduction. So here, in case of syllabus, using a triangular prism to produce a visible spectrum from white light, electromagnetic spectrum, it is there. Scattering of light you cut. Scattering of light is not there in your syllabus. So it is a deduction that you have got. So since scattering of light it is cut off from your syllabus, so that is why come to the scope of syllabus, the last part. Simple application of scattering of light, for example blue color of the sky, that part is not there in your syllabus. So rest all as usual it was there. Now also the same thing, only that part it is not there. Then we will go to that chapter number 7, that is your sound. This is a unit which contains only one single chapter, sound, and in that case also you will see that the last part of the scope of syllabus, loudness, pitch and quality of sound, only the meaning and the factors affecting them is there in the syllabus, rest all are not there. That means now the scope of the syllabus, characteristic of sound, loudness and intensity, subjective and objective nature of these properties, sound level in decibel, noise pollution, interdependence of pitch and frequency, quality and waveform, this part is not there in your syllabus. So in comparison to the others, now we can say that it is a single unit and having more deductions in this case. Now if we will go to that the chapter number 8, which is under that the unit that electricity. Now chapter number 8, which is about your current electricity. In this case you are getting deductions in case of the scope of syllabus. Go through the scope of syllabus where experimental verification of Ohm's law, then that the derivations regarding that the combination of resistance in series and parallel. So combination of resistance in series and parallel and derivation of expression. So only that derivation part it is cut off. Derivation of expression for equivalent resistance, that is cut off from your syllabus. So and at the same time, previously the numerical problems, how many numerical problems that you are doing. Now in case of the resistance, that the numerical problems also it is limited in the sense maximum to maximum you will get a circuit of 4 resistance. So that is why that is a sort of limitation. Rest all as usual, it was before how much it is there, that much also now also you have that much in your syllabus. So the next chapter of this unit, that is your chapter number 9, household circuit. Come to that of the scope of syllabus. House wiring ring system, power distribution, that is not there, it is cut off. Then circuit diagram, so it is given that main circuit with fuse or MCB, main switch and its advantages. Then thereafter you can see from your syllabus that it is given circuit diagram, two-way switch, staircase wiring. This part it is not there, this is cut off. So previously which the children they were getting a sure question, that is your staircase switch, now that is cut off from your syllabus. So this part only cut off, that house wiring means ring system, power distribution, then again that circuit diagram, two-way switch, staircase wiring, this much part it is cut off from your 9th chapter, chapter 9, household circuit. Then we will go to the last chapter of this unit, that is your electromagnetism. In case of electromagnetism, there are also a slight deduction that you are getting. In case of main syllabus, if you will see, transformer is cut off from your syllabus, transformer is not there. Then come to the scope of syllabus, here you will find the electromagnets, their uses, comparison with a permanent magnet, that electromagnets, their uses, comparison with a permanent magnet, Fleming's left hand rule, the DC electric motor, up to that much it is there. After that, cut that simple sketch of main parts like coil, magnet, split ring commutator and brush. So that means in overall we can say that Fleming's left hand rule up to that much you will know, but there is just you will have some sort of overall idea about that the DC motor, but not the detailed studies about that the DC motor. Then similarly, that the last part of the syllabus if we will proceed, transformer, its type, characteristics of primary and secondary coils in each type is not there. That last part of the syllabus that you cut from your syllabus, and you are getting, fortunately or unfortunately, you are getting that part as a deduction, or it's a sort of reduction. So how much it will be, approximately how much from this unit, approximately how much reductions that you are getting. So it's, you should not be very happy with this reduction, which may not be overall about 20%. Now this is about your that the electricity chapter, electricity unit, you are getting that much benefit or that much deduction. Then another small unit, that is calorimetry, which is coming under that the unit heat. So here you are not getting any sorts of deduction as it was there. So likewise also here in the same manner. So that is why here you are not getting any deduction, and so you should not expect any deduction, because this is a very small unit containing only single chapter. Now similarly, the last chapter, that is your radioactivity, which is a single chapter under that modern physics, that the unit is modern physics. Under that you are getting radioactivity as a single chapter. In this case, the last part previously for the last 2 years, which was included nuclear fusion, nuclear fission, basic introduction and equations, that part is cut up. So nuclear fission and fusion, basic introduction and equations, that part it is cut up. Rest all as it was before, likewise also now is there. So now this is a moment where it is not necessarily that you should be very happy for this deduction, because how many periods that has been lost in your school because of that corona. So I don't think that it will compensate to your loss. So that is why you should not be very happy. Rather, board has also declared simultaneously that if the condition will be prevailed for long time, then in that case you may get some sort of more deductions up to an extent of 50%. So thank you very much. So wait for the upcoming video, which will describe about your that the changes in case of chemistry and biology. Thank you very much.